Good evening, all the cool cats and hippie chicks out there watching tonight. I'm Amethyst Moon. Welcome to Cal Jam News. We have some groovy new updates that we know you're gonna dig, so keep tuning in. First, we'd like to tell you a few more of the happening hippies that will be feeling the love this year. We have Kathy Wenlin Colby, Del Bigtree, David Wolf, Terry Warner, Mendy Pels, Sherry Tenpenny, Lee Keneally, Devin Vrana, and Sean Drake. Totally righteous, right? We also want to welcome back Vox Life as our main event sponsor and thank them for their continued support. Make sure to pick up your tickets before the prices go up. It'll be a total bummer if you're not there. Use coupon code AskAlice for 15% off your tickets from now until November 7th. Still need a reason to buy tickets? Watch this message from Billy D.
All right, everybody, Billy D from Cal Jam, rock and roll. Just another giveaway for you guys. For those of you that buy tickets within the next 7 days, we're offering you a chance. 5 of you, bring one other person and yourself to soundcheck on Thursday night, February 13th before Cal Jam, and kind of just check out the gig before. So buy your tickets, we'll enter you into the raffle, and hopefully you'll win those cool soundcheck tickets. Rock and roll, Billy D.
That's all this week for Cal Jam News. Remember, don't let the man get you down. Buy your Cal Jam tickets now. This has been Amethyst Moon signing off with Cal Jam News. Have a trippy night, dudes.